From reheating to roasting, the latest microwaves are buzzing with features to make your life easier. Looking to upgrade? Consider type, capacity, and features. First, type. Choose between a conventional or a convection microwave. Conventional models are fast and efficient, perfect for defrosting frozen meals and reheating leftovers. Convection models are a microwave and convection oven in one. That means you can bake, brown and crisp, as well as microwave. Next, capacity. Microwaves range from a compact 20 litres, perfect for quick heat-ups, to a family-friendly 40 litres, big enough to fit the Sunday roast. Where you plan on putting the microwave will also influence what size you choose. Will it fit on the bench, or would a built-in cavity work better? Finally, features. The latest convection microwaves let you do it all. Steam, grill, roast, air fry, and much more. Serious home cooks will love inverter technology. This delivers a constant stream of cooking power to preserve flavours and textures. In a hurry, look for OneTouch sensor settings for favourites like popcorn, pizza, and rice. And check the wattage. The higher the microwave's wattage, the faster the cook. Now you're cooking. The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.